Introducing the AEG 7000 series washing machines. Effortlessly caring for your professional look by using steam at the end of the cycle to reduce creases and ironing. Pro Steam technology utilizes short, gentle steam programs to refresh creased clothes and safely remove odors for sharp results every time. Using the Plus Steam option at the end of a washing cycle reduces creases by up to 30% for less ironing, less dry cleaning, and less wear and tear on fibers. ProSense technology automatically tailors programs to optimize the treatment of every garment, protecting fabrics from unnecessary overwashing and reducing wear and tear, while also saving time, water, and energy. The Soft Plus option ensures softener reaches every part of the laundry, helping clothes feel softer, silkier, and smoother than ever before, while protecting fibers and prolonging the life of every garment. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room, no fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2D scalers, a deep cleaner, and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Impeccable results every time. The AEG 7000 series washing machines.